Here's integrated 3. This is problem 10-49. It says the average cost of a movie ticket is $9.50. The cost is increasing 4% per year. In how many years will the cost double? So I thought of y equals a times b to the x, and a is always the starting value, so I used the 950. And then I used 1.04 for my growth rate. And then I wanted to know how long until it doubled. So I doubled 950 and I got $19. And so I set those all equal like this, and then I divided both sides by 950, and surprise, I got 2. I didn't have to do all that. You could have just started by putting a 2 here. But maybe that helps you make sense of the problem. I don't know. And then I tried to get the x by itself, so I had to log both sides. And then I used that rule that says the x can come out front. And then I divided both sides by log of 1.04, and I ended up with about this, 17.67 years. And then that was letter A. And then in letter B, they wanted to know the average rate of change. What's the average rate of change of the cost of a movie ticket over the interval of the next 10 years? Explain what the average rate of change means in this context. So I know average rate of change is just our slope, like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is going to be, I've already got this equation, and I'm just going to use 10 because it's the 10, the 10 years. So there's my little equation with the 10 plugged in for x. And then y1 is going to be the starting value, which was 950. And then x2, that's going to be, the time, which is 10 years, and x1 was the starting number, which was 0. And so then if you put that in your calculator, if you raise 1.04 to the 10th power and then multiply it by 9.5, you will get 14.06 approximately, and then subtract the 950 and divide by 10, and you'll get about 46 cents. And so what this means is that in general, for a 10-year period, if you want to average the rate of change, it might not have been exactly going up by 46 every single year because it's not maybe linear, but on average you could say it's going up about 46 cents per year.